All right, hey, what's up, y'all? So I want to tell you about this upcoming Camping 101 class and workshop that we have coming up this weekend, as well as a field trip to REI to check out some equipment and get some advice from the experts. All right, now, camping is so beneficial and so important. All right, it's one of the many ways that we recommend people disconnect from this modern world so you can reconnect with nature. All right, we have in this modern life sacrificed convenience and technology for our health. Some of it's almost unavoidable, but we want to make an effort to get back outside as often as possible, because where we're meant to be is outside a lot, reconnecting with nature. And you'll notice that your health improves, your emotions improve, your vitality improves, and we just want to make sure that we're making an effort to get out there regularly. We recommend getting out and hiking weekly or every other week or every 2 weeks. And we recommend going camping monthly or once every 2 months for at least 2 or 3 days, right? And if you do that, you will see your health enhanced tremendously. Now, what we'll be learning in this Camping 101 workshop is, again, where we are and where we could be as far as being outdoors. This is an argument for camping. We'll talk about basic considerations for camping gear to include what I would consider the most important things to have. And by the way, we're specifically talking about campsite camping or car camping or something where you're not backpacking in, okay? So again, basic considerations for gear to include what I consider the most important things to have a good sleep: a tent, a sleeping bag, a sleeping pad, and a pillow. All right, and then we'll also talk about things that you definitely want to bring, like cooking equipment and lighting, the types of foods, how to prepare your food, how to cook your food. We'll talk about how to start a fire, and then we'll have all of our gear and equipment laid out and demonstrated so that people can see what we actually take on their camping trips. All right, so the Camping 101 workshop is this Saturday, August 29th. At 10:15 a.m. It's here at SHT headquarters and the CrossFit Combine. And then also right after that at 11:30, we'll be meeting at REI. So at REI, we're going to go through the store and we're just going to get some expert recommendations on the different equipment that we talked about. And we will be meeting at REI at 11:30. So for whatever reason you're not making the Camping 101 class, you can actually come and meet us at REI anyway, okay? So if you guys have any questions, let me know, and we hope to see you guys there.